What we have is skinned eggplant along with some ribs, and we got some lamb breast in the oven. I peeled the eggplant, onion, portobello mushrooms. I got garlic because I love garlic. I got some garlic flakes that are in here as well. A little bit of Dale seasoning, and some black garlic paste. Burn the top a little bit. Thank you, sir.
Come on, bring him out.
You still need to go. Drain that grease.
Drain the grease again.
Yeah. See right there? That's why those grates come in handy. And that's it. Stir-fried eggplant with mushroom, portobello mushroom, onions, garlic.
Show me that again.
Just juiciness is coming off that right there, boy. Your husband, what you doing?
You better not burn your hand over there.
So right there, part of the knife can't cut through the
Fat.
the fat right there. There you go. Let's cut it like this right here. There you go. Everybody get a bone. Everybody get 2 bones. Look at this one, because this is the one I'm looking for right here. That bone right there. So, cut it.
Getting you a gourmet meal.
It's got a little bit of the mambo sauce on it too.
Oh yeah, DC Mambo sauce. What are those?
Those are regular ribs. I thought those were bigger. That's why I made those.